Meaning of drachma.
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 Drachma. The drachma was the currency used in ancient Greece. It was one of the world's earliest forms of currency and was used from around the 7th century BC until it was replaced by the euro in 2001. The word drachma comes from the Greek word drakon, which means dragon. The coin was originally made of silver and was used for trade and commerce. It was also used as a unit of weight, with 1 drachma equaling 6 obols. Today, the drachma is primarily of historical interest and is no longer in circulation.